How to quick link part 2. LoveItPromotions.com, 18th November 2019. How to quick link to your YouTube subscribers and view your subscribers offline. Right, hi everybody. Now this is part 2. Have a quick link so that you just click it and it goes straight to your subscribers list. None of this click here, click there, click this, click that. Right, that's the first thing we're going to teach. Then next bit after that for this will be how to save your subscribers list so you can work on it or look at it offline, so you can see who your subscribers are, public ones, public subscribers, because if they're private they don't even show up in your list. I think they add as a number but they don't show up in your list. So you've got subscribers that are privately keeping an eye on you and they're frightened to show that they're a subscriber. Strange. Still, some people are strange. I even think I'm strange. Right, first thing to do then. My quick link, there it is, YouTube. Click on it. Yes. A left click on the addressable bar. Right click on what's turned into blue and go copy. Because I've already got me and done this, and then I just copied and pasted it. I pasted it into here. I use Control and V, but there you go, see, that's all it was. I've already copied and pasted it. Don't need it again, so I can click undo. Where's undo on this? Up there. Undo. Right, so I've got that. Now I've got a quick link to my subscribers list. I'll click that and go yes please. Again, it's just copy that and paste it into your memory bit, and it's exactly the same. Look, I'll do it again. Control and V, exactly the same. So yeah, there you go. Don't need it a second time. And that's what you do to get an instant link to your subscribers. Very simple. Now, how did you get here in the beginning? How did you get to this list in the beginning to get this bit of information? Well, we'll just come out of it. You go on your channel, you go click on your logo picture, go into YouTube Studio, and wait for it. If you're in beta, you have to go into your Studio Beta and change it. Still waiting for this to load up. What are we in? Is this beta? Select channel settings, dismiss. What's this? Important creators. Oh, Children's Privacy Act and Protection Act. We're getting that now. The world's gone crazy on people, but then again, there's some nasty people out there. The people that don't, the good, always suffer because of the bad. So it makes you think. Where are we? Go down. Oh, there. Studio. You have to click on Studio Creator Classic. Why is it specific feature I need is missing? Doesn't feel complete. And I always send that, tick them. So I always say that don't feel complete because I can't get to what I want to get to. Submit. Because you get fed up with keep on doing it, and it should change back. Right, it's changed back to classic. Now we're back in classic. Studio Classic. You can go down to community, click on community, and you don't have to remember to do all this. Now click on subscribers, And there's your subscribers list. That's how you get to it. Once you've got here, you then right click on the address, sorry, left click on it. Oh, done it again. Highlight it all, right, with a left click or click and drag. Copy. Now that might be different to what I've got. I don't think it is. Oh yeah, there's 5 on that one. What's it got on this one? Control V. We've got a 4 this time. Got a different number, subscriber, blah blah blah. So it must change. Not unless I've got a. Yeah. Why has that gone down? 1574. Oh, that number's gone up. The 3's gone up to a 4. So I must have a new subscriber. Ah. That's another way of seeing it, because it's got updated, so there's more information in that one. And we'll keep that for a minute and have a look. We'll compare it in a minute. Right, so that's there. Don't forget to click save. Save it. Then how did I get all this? So you scroll down, load more. Scroll down, load more. This is how what you've got to do if you want to have all your subscribers offline. Right, get to the bottom, move your mouse over to where there's nothing, right click and go save as. In the pop-up, go save as. Now we need to make a new folder. My subscribers, 16th of November, and this is now, because I must have some new ones, I can go new folder. Let's save typing, copy that, go into new folder, paste that in there. Before we hit enter, go and change the date. What is it? It's the 18th. We'll change that to the 18th of November. Save that. Open that up. Subscribers, blah blah blah, that can be what it's called. And the HTML. Click save. Just wait for it. Be patient, because it's down in this corner. Look, it's down here. Down in this corner. And it's downloading. It's not there. Subscribers. Still downloading. And what you can do is click on the little up arrow and go show in folder, and it will when it's ready. There you go. So if we click up, this is now up here, look, see user John, I subscribe 18th November, and if we go up a level, there's the 16th. So there's the 18th, which we've just done. Click there. Now I'm going to go offline. Switch the mains off. That's the easiest. Right, mains off. And if you look down here, you can see I'm not online anymore. And if I click the HTML subscribers, there you go. Oh, somebody's going to say, yeah, but you're still on. Right, I'll switch it off. There you go, internet's off. That's off. We're back to here. So we go back to my subscribers. 18th November one. Click HTML. And I'll prove I'm offline in a second. Wait for this. Yeah, and there's all my subscribers. Yeah, I've got 123. I've gone up one, so I've got a new subscriber. Who's my new? It says Wayne's the latest one. 4 weeks ago, a month ago. So we got a new subscriber. I don't know who. No, it's a hidden subscriber. A hidden subscriber. Right, there you go. Hello, hidden subscriber. Because if you weren't private, you would be here. Wayne would not be there. So there you go. Your picture would be here, or whatever your channel is. Anyway, thank you for subscribing. And how do I prove prove offline? I'll click a new tab. And what shall I click on? I'll click on Facebook. Now, Facebook, and you'll see no internet. So there you go. I'm working offline, and I've got my subscribers list. Yes, you can update it whenever you want to. But there you go. That's the way to have your subscribers offline. And that's it. That's it. That's the easy lesson. And yeah, thanks for joining us. Hope you liked it. Click and collect. Thumbs up, like, and now a word from my friend.
Cheers, my friends. How's about clicking that like button? And the subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell.
Video and soundtrack performance and copyright C belong to www.loveitpromotions.com, 18th of November 2019. That's the end, folks. Have a great day.